rise high, the furnace roars, the wrath of kings, their souls implore. Heat cannot break, fire cannot bind, faith unshaken, strength refined. Furnace burns, yet they walk free. Shadrach, Meshach Abednego, three. God in the fire, shadows collide. Unscathed they stand, with him inside. Iron gates and molten glare, death surrounds, but God is there. Chains dissolve in holy might, darkness pierced by blinding light. Sevenfold heat, it cannot see the cries of faith, the heavens hear. Furnace burns, yet they walk free. Shadrach, Meshach Abednego, three. God in the fire, shadows collide. Unscathed they stand, with him inside. With him inside. Smoke rises, hearts ignite, King's fury fades in the fight. Who is this? The fourth I see, a form divine, eternity.